Journal File Level Recovery, or JFLR, gives you the ability to gain even more granularity, not achieved in a full site, application, or VM recovery. Zerto's JFLR functionality enables the user to recover individual files from any checkpoint within the existing journal history. JFLR is supported in both Windows and Linux file systems. Since JFLR leverages the data already in the journal, you'll want to examine how much history your organization may need to take full advantage of this feature. Also consider the frequency at which you may need to access and recover individual files. Recovering a file is simple. Use the wizard in the Zerto UI to select the VM, checkpoint, and disk. Then start the operation. A read-only VMDK is mounted at the recovery site. As a read-only operation, no user can modify the contents of the checkpoint that the user selected. Once mounted, you'll use Zerto's File Explorer to browse for the file or files that you want to recover. The files will download to the local machine that you're using the web GUI from. Files or folders over 10 megabytes will be zipped into a single folder and compressed for download. There are a few other things to know about journal file level recovery. While the disk is mounted, failover test and offsite clone operations are still available to be performed. However, if you need to perform a live failover or move, the JFLR operation will be stopped and the disk will be unmounted. Also, the ZVM can only mount one disk at a time per site, so only one file level recovery can be performed at a time. In addition, there are a couple of disk size limitations to be aware of. For VMware and Hyper-V platforms, the maximum size disk you can mount is 32 terabytes. For Azure, the limit is 4 terabytes. For AWS, it is 1 terabyte.